How to create a list in HubSpot. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a list within HubSpot. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do, follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first step that you need to do is to go to HubSpot.com, sign into your account, then we are going to let us see this menu. Here we have the elements of this menu. I'm simply going to select CRM and it will show up another menu which is a sub menu. I'm going to click on lists and here normally it will appear the list that we have created. If you don't have a created list from the emails or it is a list for the emails, all you have to do is to click on create list and we are going to set here we have the choice contact based, company based, and deal based. For example, I'm going to name that list as test, like that. Description also text, and it is not obligatory. Here, what kind of list are you creating? You have a active list or a static list, and the custom properties. I'm going to put a active list, click on next, and here we have the filters. You can add some filters. Also, you can, for example, here I'm going to add a filter, contact properties. You can set right here the contact activity, for example, first conversation, and here we have it. This is only the preview. You can add a sum right here is equal to, you can add a value. For example, you can add a filter like this and you are going to set the equal to any value. This is the list right here. You can choose the filters and put the tests right as you want. Click on save list and here we have the list ready. This is it. And for the filters, you can see the performance, put the settings and the activity. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you soon on the next one.